Hello, everyone. I miss you so much. How are you? I can't believe it. It is our week 13. We are almost there, guys. Feel excited? Okay, we have a lot of things this week, but before that, I want to share my fun things. We had a great Easter. So last year we didn't celebrate Easter because we don't know how, but this year we found something fun. We decorated the eggs, and you can see this the eggs we made, and then we hide them inside our house, and my kids try to find them, and we played about 3 times, and they can't stop it. They say, oh, it's so fun, let's play again. And I think it's so interesting. And you will notice that I moved the email from Brightspace. So I send you email by using my email address, so you can reply all to our class to share your fun things. How did you celebrate Easter, and who you stay with, and what things are great you want to share with others. So just reply my email to share your fun things with our class. Okay? I'm looking forward to that because I don't know what are you doing right now, and I miss your faces, and I miss you, just want to talk with you. Okay, so we have a lot of things this week, and I think if you check your grade book, you can see there it shows A, B, C, D right now. So you can just to check all your grade, and if you find something wrong or you feel confused, you can just send me email and let me know. Okay, and about IM3 part 1, I'm not really graded, and I didn't give you any feedback because it's for your IM3 part 1, it just like prepare for your part 2 to do our peer review. So I think I want to leave it to your peer to give you feedback, and you can improve it. So I just check if I get the right thing. So if you check it, you submit it, but you got 0, you can get check my feedback to find out, okay, the full draft of your IM, it means just like it's your IM. You almost get all the things ready to go to the peer review and review by me next week, or just like it's almost your final IM. So it's not a document or other things. So you just check it and try to resubmit your full draft. It could be a link to your online module. Okay, and for case C, for our IM3 part 2, and you can find your peer in my email. I just peer you, and then you just like try to give your peer. Okay, let's just take a look at IM part 2. Okay, so in week 13, you will find out, okay, we have many things this week. IM3 part 2, peer feedback. For this assignment, you have just like 2 reference. So if you click on it, you will see here, this form is for you to fill up, and this one is a full break for your final IM. So you can just look at, okay, what all the elements required for final IM, and what things I'm going to looking for. And then when you check this, oh yeah, this one is interactive module IM rubric. From this rubric, you will know, okay, I'm looking my peers online module. So I will get through the rubric to see what things goes well, what things goes just not so well. So how to improve it, just like that. So you can use this rubric as one of your reference. And another one is this one, is feedback, peer feedback. So here you will know, okay, click this link to know how to give a high quality peer feedback. So for our course, it's not only to design a course and implement a course. So it's just like to how to evaluate an online course. Is it good or not? How to evaluate. So this is a skill we need to learn from this course, right? So it's better for you to get through and to see how to give high quality feedback. Okay, use this one. And then we go back. And okay, so here is key peer review questions. So you can just get through all the questions about content, instruction, and navigation, and the technology tools. And then you fill up this form and submit by midnight this Sunday. And here you can just see, okay, what's going well. You at least you need to list three. Can you see? Three. Yeah, 3 items going well. And in here, you need to give at least 3 suggestions how to improve this module and how to make it a little better. Okay, 3 here, 3 here. At least 3. You can add more if you want. Okay, and for this form, you just like you can see here, you are the elevator, right? So the title of the I am being evaluated is your peers online modules topic, right? And here audience, so who is this module's audience is 3 years old, not 3 years old, it's 3rd grade students or others, and the author's name, email, and I put it in my email. You can find it. And for you are the one to get to do the evaluate, right? So you submit this form you did for your peer. Is that clear? So for the last several semester, students always get confused here. Okay, which form I need to submit? The one I did for my peer or my peer did for me? So the answer is the form you filled for your peer. That means you are the evaluator. Is that clear? I hope it's clear. Okay, so after you submit your form, peer review, peer evaluation form, and you need to send this form to your peer. Let them know what feedback you gave them and how they could use it to improve their job. Is that clear? Okay, so you submit and you send it to your peer. Okay, I think that's all about our IM3 part 2. Okay, about case 6. So last week I sent the email and you can find your group. It's a group work. I gave you a topic and your group members. And I hope you can just connect to each other, send email or use Google Drive, Google Doc to work on that. Okay, and then you need to you on one group only need to submit one, and you put all the group members' name on it. So when I grade, I just give you some just like feedback in one. Yes. So actually, if you work well, everybody just like do their job, and you have a great group work. That'll be great. So and how could I know when I grade your job. It's a group work, right? So how could I know how well you work with each other? So you need to use this evaluation form to grade for your group members, and you can find this evaluation form in my email, and fill it and send it to me by email. Is that clear? Okay, so the last thing, it's a little funny, is our online discussion for this week. It has two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 do the Sunday. It means tomorrow midnight, and part 2 do this Sunday midnight. So this is all the things we need to do this week. I hope you have fun, and reply my email and share something fun, and let me know if you have any questions. That's all. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.